how you can fix your iPhone notes not appearing. So if you open up your iPhone, you won't see any of these notes right here. If you open the notes folder, you will see that it's empty. I don't have the problem, so it's not in mine. So I'll teach you guys how to fix it on your iPhone. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to your settings. After you're on your settings, just go to your Apple ID settings, tap on your name right here, and after you've done that, you will be on this page right here. Now before I tell you guys what to do next, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get back into the video. So after you're on your Apple ID settings, go to iCloud, and after you're on your iCloud, you will see the apps using iCloud. Tap on show all, and after you're there, just find notes. Now tap on notes and you will notice that your sync this iPhone for notes is turned off. So let's try to turn it off in mine, and there you can see that if this is turned off, all iCloud notes will be removed from your iPhone. So the problem is that you have turned this off. So just turn this on and you will see that your notes will start syncing and it will start appearing on your notes app. And that will basically fix the problem, guys. And that is all for the video too. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.